morning, good afternoon, and good evening for all viewers, and especially my lecturer, Dr. Kadek Cahya Susila, who see my videos. And first, I introduce myself. My name is Ruben Emanuel Tabarat. My student's ID is 11000121 12419056, and I from IUP class, batch 2024. Divided in here is like background and context, research question method, implementation in South Sumatra, and the challenge of obstacles, and yes, the lastly is recommended model. Background significance, accountability. Citizens can monitor government's action, identify irregularities, and provide feedback to prevent abuse of power. And participation, well-informed citizens can participate in policy discussion, creating laws that reflect community needs. And the last is ICT enabler. The internet and social media accelerate information spread, but also introduce risk of disinformation. Research question: how is public information disclosure implemented in South Sumatra, and what are the challenges and the obstacle to information disclosure, and what's the recommended model based on adaptive governance? Maybe I use the data and approach qualitative descriptive research, and I think I use internet for others source. Implementation in South Sumatra, timeliness, punctual delivery enable informed public decision, and completeness. Full information reflect the first viewpoint, and reliability, trusted source build confidence in government, and the accuracy, correct data underpins effective policy making, and the communication style, accessible language, ensure wide understanding, and ICT utilization, digital tools expand risk and accessibility. And the challenge and obstacles, information exclusion, certain information is legal, exempt from disclosure, national security, risking misuse to conserve public interest data. And the second is unintegrated management. Data spread across the department make efficient access difficult, especially given South Sumatra large geographic spread. And the three, internal government resistance. Official worry that disclosed information may be misused or misinterpreted, slowing transparency effort. And four, limited public accessibility. Citizens with no internet access or low disability struggle to reach online information portals. And five, low digital literacy. Many citizens lack the skills to understand and utilize government-provided information effectively. Recommended adaptive governance model. The goal to improve public government disclosure performance, and the first is ensure inclusivity in information. The two is implement integrated management system, and three, reduce internal government resistance, and the four, improve accessibility via technology, and the five, promote digital skills and information literacy. And we have other element is collaboration, active cooperation across governments like private sector and civil society, and flexibility, quick adapt strategies to changing social and technological demands. And lastly, I think learning, draw lessons from past success and failures to improve policy. And from this discussion and the next slide is discussion and implication. We have integration of information technology must be encouraged by providing adequate training for governments, employees, and empowering the community in understanding access of information. For government is the cultural shift toward transparency at all levels, and the integrated management system across agencies, and education campaign to reduce internal resistance, and for society, digital literacy program for all community groups, and multiple channels of information access, and encouraging participation in policy making process. Conclusion and future research. Case finding: internal resistance within government, low transparency effort, and limited accessibility excludes digital disadvantaged citizens, and low digital literacy reduces the impact of information disclosure. And lastly, an adaptive inclusion model is needed to improve governance. Future research direction: expand geographic scope beyond the South Sumatra, and comparative studies with diverse data methods, and explore info disclosure impact on adaptive policy, study ethical dimension of data privacy versus transparency, and investigate this information challenge in digital governance. I think it's all from my presentation. Thank you. Thank you. I already finished my project about public information disclosure and adaptive governance. Thank you for our viewers, and especially my lectures see my presentation. Thank you.